that will also mean that there will be some ripples on the pond, so to speak, that we can provide interest to prospective students going forward, and also for faculty members at Westlake here to continue collaboration with KTH and come visit KTH. And we would like to have the students, of course, visit KTH in different capacities starting next year onwards. What I've seen is that Westlake is very prominent amongst our few partner universities, coming up very, very rapidly in terms of the level of interest for faculty, at least, for sending the students to Westlake, and of course for the Westlake colleagues to be able to receive students here. I'd be very happy to recommend Westlake University to prospective KTH students for study abroad. It would be able to be integrated very easily, and it would facilitate their studies. I think from the receiving side, in terms of bringing Westlake students on board, we have a lot to offer because we can bring teaching very close to research, which would tie into, let's say, PhD studies, and I think that's something that's of interest for many of the Westlake students, to go all the way for PhD. We're only just starting the collaboration here at Westlake, but it is different in the way that you have a different structure here at Westlake compared to the other Chinese universities that we're working with. So we have some things that we can study and that we can learn from, certainly. So I see lots and lots of potential for numerous types of exchange with Westlake. We have our 200-year anniversary, so I'm plugging that again. That there are a lot of different fun things and very interesting things happening on campus in Stockholm next year. So we're really hoping to see a lot of Westlake students and faculty come visit us.